And now it's action time! You are going to do your first Verilog program. For this, you need a text editor. I prefer using Notepad++. You can download it from the following link. After you have a text editor, please make a new file called helloworld.v with the following content. This simple program will display the message Hello World and the Modelsim console. Feel free to pause the video and write the example. In this video, I will show you a generic setup that we will use for all the exercises in our course. You need to have installed Quartus, Modelsim, and Notepad++. I suggest you creating a new folder for each exercise. Mine is called Action Time 1. Inside this folder, you will place your Verilog file, which is helloworld.v. Next, you will need to create another folder called Sim, and in this folder we will place the Modelsim project. Next, we start Modelsim by double-clicking the icon. Don't worry, it usually takes a while until it's loaded. Now that Modelsim has loaded, we click on File, New, Project. We write here Project. Then we click on Browse. We select the folder Sim inside our Action Time folder. Next, we click OK. Select Add Existing File. Browse. Go one level up. Select Hello World. Then click OK. Close. You see this question mark here? This means that the file is not compiled. Right-click, Compile All. If you see this green check here, it means that the file was successfully compiled. Click on Simulate, Start Simulation. Expand the library work, select Hello World, and click OK. We wait until all the icons are fully loaded, and then we select Run All. Here you have our Hello World text. If you want to change this text with something else, change the text in the text editor. Next, click on Project, right-click, Compile, Compile All. Next, click on Restart, select OK, and hit Run All again. And now you have the new text written.